Good morning, class. I'm audible to everyone. So today we have to deal with the last topic of our this chapter also and this session also, that is creating list by importing. Before that, I want to tell you that one step we have skipped with today, that also we will cover, that how to move the data in the Excel sheet without copying it. It's a very strange thing that without copying how to move the data, because up till now we have studied that if we have to move the data, we have to either cut it or we have to either copy it, right? So I'm going to share my screen with you people so that you can understand what is the thing. So now we are having only one class, means all 6 sections and only one group. Still there are just 95 or 96 candidates to take the class. It's really heartbreaking. Well, I'm going to share my screen, and those who are joining late, and they will again ask that, Miss, I have joined late and blah blah kinds of thing. Please tell me again. Fine, I'm sharing my screen with you people. Is my screen clear to everyone? Okay, so you can see some fruit names are written here. Yes, so fruit names are written here. Now, if I want, and I have left these many blank cells over there, I want that without copying, I want these to be there from the top. Yes, by mistake I left, or by intentionally, or whatever will be the reason, these cells are empty. I want these data to start from here. This data to start from here. So what I will do, I will select this particular area. Fine. And now, as it is selected, I will just click on this. This has been selected. Now, when you will take your mouse pointer to the edge, these lines, you can see it is changing in all side arrows. Again, I'm showing it is like plus sign. Now, as I'm taking my mouse pointer to the line, changed. Yes, as it will change this all side arrows, I will drag it. Wherever you want. Wherever you want. You can see your dotted lines is also been given. It is representing that where your data is going. I want it on top here, or just suppose in B top. I have not copied. I have not cut. So this is also one more feature which is there in Excel, which you can use to move data from one cell to another. It is not compulsory that only whole range is needed to be moved. You can just move one also. One cell is selected, take your mouse pointer here and wherever you want. Getting? So if a range will be selected, either in the form of a row or in the form of a column or whatever, combination of rows and columns all, so that have to be selected and then can be moved, or a data in one particular cell also can be moved. Understood? Again, I am showing it here. Understood? Clear? Everyone? Yes, Shruti, understood? Shruti Mohan? Okay, fine. Then what we have discussed yesterday, that is clear to everyone? Yesterday we have discussed about the custom list. That part was clear? Okay. Now with the same help of the same custom list, if I want, in case, just suppose in case that I have typed a list. I have typed a list like this. I have typed a list there in any sheet. Then after typing, I realized that I am going to need this list again and again. Sonakshi, please have the breakfast afterwards. And keep your camera properly. I'm just able to see your fan. Not your face. Now camera is off. Well, so in that condition, if I want to save this list, earlier what we were doing in custom list, we were typing our list there in that dialog box of custom list. वही कर रहे थे? Yes. Now, if I don't want to type the list there in the custom list, and I have already typed that list there in this Excel sheet, and I want this one to be there in that custom list, then what I have to do? First, I will select it. Fine. I've selected. Now, the same steps have to be followed. Go to File, go to Option, go to Advanced, then go for General. Here, in Edit Custom List. Now, in Edit Custom List, there is an option written here, Import. What are the options there? What is the data there in the list which we have created? Mango, banana, grapes, apple, watermelon, pineapple, and rest. Yes. And here you can find this is not there. Right? So what I will do, I have to just click on import. Now you can see here, the value is written. It is starting from B1 to B11. B1 to B11. You can see written here B1, B11. And now import. Now you can see the data which was written here, typed. Now it is imported here also. Import, the meaning of import you people know na? Bahar se leke aana. Yes. So here is the list. I have not typed it here. I have typed it here in the sheet. Now, as I have selected and clicked on import, the data from there to here is ready. Now here, if you want to do any kind of change, that you can do. Understood? Yes. Now let's click on OK. Now let's write again here. Let's see it is working or not. The very first one is mango. Yes. Let's drag. Working now. Okay. Means once I have typed, I realize that this thing I'm going to use again and again. So what I have done, I have added it, imported it in my custom list. Like the name of the students in a class. Each month I have to maintain attendance. Each month the name of the students have to be maintained because the same students are going to be there. So I will type those names here and then I will import it in my custom list so that whenever I will write roll number 1 or the first name of the class, yes, first student's name, and I will drag, all will come. I don't have to write it all again. So isn't it a good feature? Yes. Okay. So that is all in the chapter. Now we are going to start with the revision part. Tomorrow you will get the question answers of this chapter uploaded. Fine. Though we are not having class tomorrow, but question answers will be there on the website tomorrow so that you can write it down. Now, whatever is the query related to this particular chapter, that we will discuss today. And from next class onwards, we will start with the chapters, rest of the chapters. Anant Raj, please make it normal. It distracts. While I'm teaching and you're playing thing with and all these things distract me. Many things are going on in my mind that this I will tell to my students, this I will tell to my students, and your activities make me forget all those things. Well, ask your question, Anant.
Miss, I cannot understand first and Miss, what you done first.
Pardon?
Miss, when you done at first that you paste it and cut and paste it anywhere here. So ma'am, how you done
cutting
it?
and pasting anywhere. I was just moving it around.
Miss, how you moved it?
Just suppose I want these two fruit names to be here in K.
Okay.
Fine. So what I will do, I will select it, and as soon as I will take my mouse pointer to the edge, not to this box. Earlier we were taking my mouse pointer to the box. It was changing to black color box, plus sign. I don't want to take it here now. Anywhere on the line, that dark color line, I have to take my mouse pointer and I change to all side arrow.
Yes, ma'am.
All side arrow means for moving. Yes, now I'm moving it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Manya?
Miss, in this feature, can we save in custom list? Can we save 2 columns?
Just try.
That
Why not? But different list will be there. One for this fruits, just suppose one for vegetables. So create 2 different lists.
okay.
Yes, Varuna?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Ma'am, how you did that? You selected and you gone to custom list. Ma'am, how you have did?
Just suppose this is list already created. Now let's write some vegetables name like potato. I like the most. Tomato. It's all the vegetables I like. And then just suppose brinjal. Fine. Then spinach. Then chili. I think this much is enough. Now select it. Fine. Then go to file, go to option, then advance, then go to custom list. Up till here, edit custom list. Up till here, the steps are same. Yes. Now earlier we were typing, we were clicking on new list and we were typing it here.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we don't have to type. We have already selected. We have typed it and we have selected it. Now you can see from where to where. It is starting from H3 to H7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I have to just click on import. Now you can see the same list is here.
Miss, then what is the function of add, miss, which is coming there? Add and delete option.
Add and delete option. Just suppose this pen, I want to delete. Delete. Now I want to delete this particular list from my custom list. Okay. Now you can see pen is gone.
Yes, ma'am.
And after typing, you can click on add, then it will be added. If you are not clicking on add and just clicking OK, then too it will be added by default.
Miss, by clicking on import, miss, then also it will add.
Import means that only we have done. Na? Potato tomato has been imported. Imported मतलब sheet से custom list में ले गया वो. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Mute yourself from your side. Yes, Urvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Ma'am, that custom list I can't understand.
Custom list.
How to open it?
Custom list. How to open? Go to file. Fine. Then go to option. If option is not available, more will be written. In many other systems, you will find more. Getting? Option, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Click
Just
option.
got the option.
Option, then we have to go to advanced here.
Miss, I can't found it. Miss, see, wait, I'm showing you.
Can't find it.
Please wait. Sorry, back camera.
Advanced feature will be there, beta. It's not visible to me. I'm already having specs and you people are showing in such a small screen. You just find out for the advanced feature over there. This option will definitely be there. See, on the left hand side, what is written? General written on the top. Then formulas, then proofing, then save, then language, and then advanced. Have you got it?
Is this?
Yes, just above the line. Now, when you will click on advanced, this kind of features will be there. Just scroll it down. And there you will get this option general. In general, this option is written edit custom list. So we will just try and we will come back to you again. Okay? Yes, Sonakshi?
Ma'am, in my laptop, it is not showing a custom list.
Definitely it will be there. You scroll it down.
Ma'am, general it is I've opened, but it is not showing custom list.
If it is not showing custom list, go to help and there you can search where the custom list is.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Gaurav?
Miss, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Miss, how to insert a blank cell?
How to insert a blank cell?
Yes, Miss.
Just suppose I want to insert a blank cell between apple and watermelon. Right click, insert. Now it will ask you to shift the cell down or right. Down definitely between those two I want. Got it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Anushka?
Miss, we can delete the list one or we can delete at once only full list.
Full list is only deleted. That pen one is there. What I have written there? Pen, na? Let's see. Pen 10 I have written. Yesterday we have created this. Now if I am dragging, it's not happening. Reason? Why it is 11, 12, 13? Because it is taking as a number. Yes, that is why it is in the ascending order. But yesterday we have written pen, pencil and all. That is not coming. Because that list has been deleted.
Miss, that list, whole list we can delete at once only.
If you want to just delete any item from that, so you can edit that list. Just suppose here, I don't want this peer at the end in this list because this is there in the list. So now this one, what I want, if I want to delete it, again, I will go back on the option and I will go to advanced, to custom list. Yes. Now here in mango and banana, there, peer I don't want. I'm deleting it. Yes. I've deleted peer.
Yes, ma'am.
And click on add. Now it is updated. Now you can see peer is not there. Click on OK. Okay. Now if I will write mango here, you will see that peer will not come in this list. You can see peer is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
So that particular item is deleted. Understood?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Didima.
Miss, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss, I want to ask, when we right click in Excel, there's a last option there, hyperlink. What does it do?
Hyperlink. Hyperlink means you want to create a link. Hyperlink in class 6th in HTML, you people have a study. No, in HTML class 6 you have not studied. In 7th you will study. That hyperlink means a linking between two ends, two different applications. Like in internet, when you are using internet, you people are opening so many web pages. So you people are seeing that whenever there are some text or pictures, when you're taking your mouse pointer there, it becomes like a hand. Yes. And as soon as you click on that particular text or picture, you are jumping from that page to another page.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So that jumping from one page to another page is done with the help of this hyperlink. If
And Miss, one more. Yes, Miss.
Hmm.
And Miss, one more question is there. Miss, when we go in data, there's a date validation. What does it do?
date validation,
Yes, Miss. When we go in data, there's
and in data, date validation means what kind of format you want. What kind of format of a date you want, because I have shown you that there are so many ways of writing the same date. If we want today's date to be written, I can write like today's 9, right? So 9 July.
so Miss, it function is like this only, na? That
Huh.
prevent invalid date from
Yes, yes.
being entered in cell into a
Yes.
cell. Okay, Miss. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Natik.
Yes, good afternoon, Miss.
Good morning, beta.
Sorry, Miss.
Huh.
Miss, I have asked yesterday question that you have to tell that I will try in Android for custom business. Did you try it?
No, beta, I've not got time. Sorry. Definitely, I will come back to your thing. That thing is there in my mind today. Before going home, I will do it in the school itself.
Okay, Miss. Miss and do import also.
You can do it.
Miss, please do importing list also in Android format.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Shubh.
Miss, I do not understand how to arrange the words.
How to?
Arrange the words.
Arranging means sorting. Sorting, no? Alphabetical order. That one only are you asking, no?
Yes.
That is not known as arranging. That is known as sorting. SORTING. Okay. Sorting means you are going to arrange it. Either it is number, either it is alphabet or whatever. Just suppose if I am writing few numbers, 78, 10, 23, 25, 41, 78, 46, 66, 99. Fine. Now I want to arrange it. So what I will do, I have to select it all.
And then arrange it from
Then go to on home tab. The very last one is editing option. Yes. Now in editing, you can find this option A and Z written along with a filter key. Yes. Now on this drop down arrow, when you will click, it will ask smallest to largest or largest to smallest, what you want. Clear? According to your requirement, you can choose. Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.
Somebody is unmute from that side. Yes, Surbi, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now your thing is done? Is it done? Oh. So you got the list. Now you can do the rest of the practical. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sonakshi?
Ma'am, I have also found that option custom list, edit custom list, but it is showing in the popular that menu.
So that is different because you are using the different version, right? That is
Yes,
why
ma'am,
it is different. But the
2007.
working will be same.
So, ma'am, if it will ask that write the steps, so what I will write, that advanced or popular?
You write advanced only because in the new versions it is under advanced feature. What is there in your book, you write that only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Varuna?
Miss, when I'm selecting my when I'm selecting the name, Miss, then it is not selecting means first it is coming that only. First what I have written.
I'm not getting what you're saying.
Miss, see this.
Hmm.
Miss, when I am selecting it,
Hmm.
when I'm selecting it, miss, then mango is only coming.
So what you are
Miss,
doing?
but then I've
See what you are doing. You are again doing the same mistake. Just suppose I am writing here my name. Fine. So when you are dragging, don't drag with the help of this. If you have to select, click here, not on this box. If you will click on this square box, dark color square box, black color square box, and then you will drag. So whatever is written inside this box will be copied down. When you have to select, select this one, select and drag. Getting? Don't select it from this side. If you will select it from this side, then definitely when you will select it, if you are not failing, if it is not happening from you, so as you have selected mango, click on that particular cell and press shift. You press from your keyboard and then press leave the mouse button. You have selected mango, press shift and then press the down arrow key.
yes.
Leave the mouse button. If you are not able to select that way, so click the first item, then click on shift key and then you, now it is done and now you can do the rest of the things.
Thank you,
Understood?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayushman Dwivedi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, tomorrow is holiday.
Why tomorrow will be holiday? Something special is there tomorrow? I'm not having class in your class. That I was saying that tomorrow I don't have any class. We have class there in Thursday and Friday, right? I'm not having computer period. You are not having. Rest of the periods which you have, that will be continued. Where he has gone? Are you there? Ayushman? I was talking about my subject. I was not talking about rest of the subjects. I think he has left. Yes, Aditya Dubey.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, like you have said that if you can't do with that, ma'am, then it will show here autofill option. Miss, I have clicked on that, then it is, I have clicked on fill series, then it is that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Miss, wait a second, Miss, I'll show you.
First, you sit properly. You people are leaning down on your bag and
Miss, like here you have said, as you have selected the full column, Miss, like I have written 2, 3, 2, 4, and 6. Miss, then I have clicked here on this option. Miss, then I have written fill series. Then Miss, it is.
why
like
you are choosing that option? I have just told that particular part to select it. If you will ask for fill series, definitely it will fill in that particular area, na? That is asking. Just suppose, I'm writing here 1, then I'm writing 2. Now here what you people are doing, you are clicking on this particular part. It's the version different, that is why here it's not coming only. For my version, I have to drag. And for your version, when your people are clicking here, it is asking for fill series, right? Don't write this. Don't choose this option. I'm not giving you that why this thing I have not told you. Reason is not required. Getting? If in case as I'm dragging, it is not happening in your system and you want the series to be copied, you want that particular area to be filled with the series, at that particular moment only you will choose that option. सिर्फ तभी opt करेंगे इस option को.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You can see that this, as soon as a cell is selected, there are so many things. My cursor is in this way, white square. When I'm taking my mouse pointer to this particular area, black color का square है, जब मैं वहां लेके जाऊंगी then it becomes black color plus sign. But when I'm taking my same box, same cursor, when I'm taking it on this lines, it is becoming different. The way of selecting, if you will drag from here, as it is converting into black color box plus sign, when you will drag, it will copy the same thing. If you will drag this way, it will copy the same thing. But if you want to select it, click, don't move your mouse button, don't leave your mouse button and just drag. Understood? The same thing you have to do. You have to practice. Understood? You have to practice that how I will move my mouse button and how I will select and how I will move so that my work is done. Fine? Yes, Varuna?
Ma'am, why does this option comes? Miss this option. Miss, why when we are dragging this option is coming?
Because the version which you people are using is the old one. Earlier, this option was shown. A kind of shortcut menu was there. Whenever we are selecting any cell and when we are clicking on this, a shortcut menu you can see now. Yes, same kind of thing is there. Understood? Yes, Abhinav?
Miss, before 2 or 3 days, I have asked that how to download Microsoft Office in Windows 10. Miss, no, Miss, I mean in Windows. Miss, you said you will give the file. So when should I
Go for
come
that
to
file when you are coming to school. Yes, just inform me so that I can bring my laptop so that I can give you in your pen drive.
Miss, when should I? How should I inform you?
Where do you live? When you will come to submit your copies, no? At that time, you just inform me so that I can, because I don't bring my laptop daily. I have to bring my laptop.
Okay, Miss.
Just inform me once. Either you inform your class teacher, that person will inform me. Fine?
Yes, Miss.
A kind of reminder I need. And you please bring your pen drive also along with you.
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Surbi?
Yes, the options which you are showing us in the format group is that I can find in shortcut menus, as in short keys on my home tab.
Pardon?
Miss, see this, like you are showing in test we are going, so we can tilt, means we can make the test slant also and straight also.
So that also, that is alignment.
That option, this alignments option are here and in shortcut also. And that general.
So it's there. I have never said that it is not there.
Ma'am, but I wanted to ask that what is the work of this conditional formatting?
Conditional formatting means according to the format when you want, means some conditions are there that when this kind of text will be there, then only this thing have to be formatted. Getting? That is known as conditional formatting. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
You choose that option, try to do it, find out what is there, because all the things cannot be taught. You have to explore it. Yes, Harshita?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, in my laptop, first thing to the option, which option? Edit custom list, ma'am. It is showing in popular. Then when I am entering the data and I'm clicking to OK in the Excel, If I'm typing first word, it is not coming.
If you are typing first word, after typing you have to drag.
Yes, ma'am, I'm dragging. Then also it is
So
showing like
what was
2, 2,
happening
2,
in
2.
your system? It was happening no to fill.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
To fill the series. You have opted
Yes,
that
ma'am.
option.
Yes, ma'am.
Then to it is not coming. Maybe some spelling mistake you are doing. Try it
No,
again.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Again, I saw it is really not coming.
Some setting difference is there in your system, I think, because again only you are facing this problem. I have to check your system then better. You have understood the steps. That is the main thing.
Yes, ma'am. I have understood.
Understood the steps. Some setting difference is there. In case you get any facility to have work on any other system, try it there. If not, so whenever you will come here, please show me your system.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Meanwhile, you try. I think it will be done. Yes, Mohammad Amar, where you have gone? I'm not teaching to fan. Huh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, in my laptop, autofill.
Autofill what? Your voice is not coming, Amar. Your picture is also hanged. Autofill what? I have not got your thing.
Ma'am, in my laptop, I cannot do autofill feature.
Autofill feature you cannot do.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe you're also using that particular thing. Select two, right click here, with small box would be coming here. Click on that and just find out fill series is coming.
Ma'am, please repeat once again.
Write any two numbers. Click there on that black one, black box. A black box is coming.
Yes,
Select
ma'am.
two, any two you select. You are selecting the whole column. Now fine. Now go to that black option, black box here on the right side corner. Here, beta, here. You have to click here and drag. Are you seeing? Your mouse pointer should convert this plus sign. Black plus sign. And then you have to drag. Just try, Mohammed, and then afterwards we will come back to you. Yes, Unnati.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Plus, I have to ask that whenever I'm typing anything on my Excel, it is automatically being bold.
So maybe this option is opted. Can you see this B here? Is it highlighted in your system?
Yes.
So click on that, it will be unhighlighted. If you don't want to click it here, press Control plus B. Control and B, when you will click together from your keyboard, the text will be, if it is bold, then it will become unbold, and if it is unbold, it will become bold.
Okay, miss, thank you.
But you have to select that particular text. Yes, Riddhima?
Miss, again, if we go in data, then there's one more icon next to data validation, consolidate. What does it do?
Data validation and consolidation means you have decided that in this particular cell, only numbers have to be entered. And in by case or by chance, if anybody enters any text over there, so it will give you a message. or if you have decided that in this particular column only dates have to be entered, or any value of decimal only have to be entered, so you have decided that in this particular column iske alawa aur kuch nahi aana chahiye.
So Miss,
It
it combines value from multiple ranges.
It compares that the same kind of value is there or not. Just suppose in name you cannot write any number, like we write now Anamika 1, Anamika 2, Anamika 3. Yes, so that 1, 2, 3 you cannot write. As soon as you will write, it will give you a message on the screen that you are entering a wrong data. Because why that validation is used? Because when a huge amount of data has been entered, so by chance any kind of mistake can happen. So to
And
reduce,
Miss, yes, and Miss, when we go in view, there's freeze panes. What does it do?
freeze frame means that is one particular column or one particular row will be freezed, so that when a data is huge data is there and it is going beyond your screen. Yes. So what you will do, you want the roll number and the name, so that first semester, second semester, third semester, first semester, second semester, I don't want. I will freeze only roll number and name. And when I will scroll my thing, because many times it happened, kahan gaya? It is, yeah, I'm going in the straight line or not. Otherwise,
Yes,
I will see the marks of any other person. Yes, so,
So it keeps portion of,
and rest of the sheet can be scrolled.
so it keeps portion of sheet visible.
Yes,
Okay.
it could be a row, it could be a column.
Okay, Miss, thanks.
But you have to select that one and you have to choose that option freeze.
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Divyansh?
Ma'am, if we have to write one word to all the cells, then how will write?
Are Baba, just suppose here, I want LFS to be written. Fine. I have written LFS in one cell.
Yes, ma'am.
I will select it. Then I will go to this particular box where my mouse pointer changes to black plus sign, and I will drag. Understood?
It's not that.
Huh.
As I'm saying, if we have to write one word to all the cells, means entire cell.
Entire cell.
Yes, ma'am.
Just suppose S I have to write. Okay? So either for one row, one column it will go. Now you can choose this option. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This only you are asking, na?
Yes, ma'am.
It will be done only to the range which you will select.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Anand?
Miss, we can create list by importing numbers.
No. Yesterday I have shown you that we have created a custom list using the numbers, and when I was typing that number, it was not following, because whenever you have to fill any kind of series with a any kind of series or any kind of range which you have selected with the help of series, so it will work on the logic of the first two numbers. So if you are having a list of numbers in your custom list, it will not work. Yesterday I have shown. Okay. Yes, Manya?
Miss,
Something is going. Manya? Manya, I will come back to you back again afterwards because your voice is echoing too much. Yes, Sonakshi?
Ma'am, what is this import list from cells? Because of network issue, I can't hear.
Import cells from cells means that if in case you are having you have typed a list there in the cell. ठीक है, आपने टाइप कर लिया, बाद में आपको रियलाइज होता है कि ये जो मैंने टाइप किया ये मुझे बार-बार यूज करना पड़ेगा. Yes, so I don't want to type it again there in the custom list. So what I will do, I will select that particular area, that particular range, I will go to custom list and there I will click on import. So whatever the range I have selected, all those data will be imported in that custom list.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Manya. Try again.
Miss,
Huh.
now it's correct.
Huh.
Miss, like here I have typed 1 and 1, 2, and when I am doing it like this, it is not going.
Beta, the way you people are selecting, that is only wrong.
Miss, it will come 1, 1 only. Miss,
It
wait.
will not
so-
come 1, 1, beta. Just see again. See
Miss-
what I am doing. See the screen what I am doing. See
Miss,
this?
see, I have typed here 1, 1 and 2. And now when I will select it and when I am going,
You are
so-
selecting just one. Wait a minute. Don't panic. One is done. Now leave your mouse button. Select on one. What I am saying, select one. Done. Arey
Yes,
Papa, one select करके छोड़ दो. Now use your shift key and arrow button. Down arrow button. Shift key and both the things together. हाँ, हो गया? Now
Yes.
go to 2 and at that corner that square black color box is there.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ लिखा है वहां नीचे कोने में काले रंग का बॉक्स है. हाँ. Now done.
Okay.
So the way you people are dragging, the way you people are selecting, that is only wrong. You people are panicking. Don't do that. If you will panic, you will not be able to follow the thing. You calm your mind first. So that's all from my side. Yes, for the whole syllabus. Tomorrow you will find your question answers there on the school website. Please note it down there in your copy. Okay. And when the copies will be asked to be submit, please submit it. And from the next class onwards, whatever is your query, we will start with the first chapter. We will start with the first chapter in next class. Okay. Whatever is the query of the first chapter, please go through that first chapter. And whatever is the query, keep it aside so that we can discuss that in the next class on next Thursday. Fine. Varuna, you want to ask something? Varuna, you want to ask something? Yes. Varuna, unmute yourself and then ask.
Hello.
Yes, Miss, the Manya was telling that it was not happening. Miss, now it is, my also it is happening. First it was not happening.
So that only I'm saying that the way you people are dragging, that was wrong. The method was wrong. Now understood how to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now you people just try and enjoy your practical, those who are doing. Yes. And if anything will be there, definitely in the next class, we will solve it out. Fine. Till then, be safe and keep smiling.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.